Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 3rd, 2025, and we're taking a deep dive into Bitcoin, looking at both the latest news and the chart data to see what's driving price action. Recent headlines are dominated by Donald Trump's announcement of Liberation Day tariffs, which seem to be sending ripples through the crypto market. Let's explore how these tariffs and other news might be influencing Bitcoin's price. We'll start by looking at the one-day chart to get the broad perspective. Okay, here we are on the one-day chart. From this perspective, we can see a lot of volatility over the past several months, with some major peaks and valleys. Looking at the recent price action, we see Bitcoin went from a high of around 71,000 in late March to a low of around 64,000 by April 2nd. Then a slight recovery has formed. The recent sell-off could be attributed to the uncertainty surrounding Trump's proposed tariffs. As investors often do during times of macroeconomic uncertainty, they shift to safe haven assets. Winsent analysts noted the correlation between Bitcoin's price and macroeconomic trends, and the tariff news definitely introduces some volatility. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart to get a closer look at some of the short-term price movements. Here, we can see much more granular price action, with recent candles suggesting a bit of choppiness, but also a possible upward trend. Keep an eye on the $64,000 level. It seems to be a crucial support level. If Bitcoin breaks below this, we could see further downside. However, if Bitcoin can maintain above $64,000 and break through the recent resistance around $69,000, it could signal a bullish continuation. Also, spot volumes have soared with recent rallies, possibly indicating a move towards $90,000, according to Cointelegraph. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart for intraday insights, but focus on the past 24 hours. Here, the candlestick formations are even more granular, allowing us to pinpoint potential entry and exit points. The 15-minute chart reveals short-term volatility with some choppy price action. There could be opportunities for day traders to capitalize on these swings. Keep an eye out for candlestick patterns such as morning or evening stars, as well as potential breakouts or breakdowns from the current consolidation pattern. Recent liquidations reached $145 million, suggesting more movement. To recap, key levels to watch are the support around $64,000 and resistance near $69,000. A break above or below these levels could dictate Bitcoin's short-term direction. Keep an eye on spot market buy volumes and the market's reaction to Trump's tariffs as significant short-term factors. Long-term, Bitcoin's outlook remains positive, with many analysts projecting significant price appreciation in the coming years, despite potential risks such as regulatory changes and energy consumption issues.